Good morning, guys. So today we're going to do our presentation of word study of the within word pattern stage. The component of instruction is going to be fluency. And my name's Maria.
My name's Emily.
And my name is Melissa.
Okay. The within word pattern stage of literacy development is a transitional period, a time between the beginning state when the students reading and writing are quite labored, and the intermediate stage when the student can read nearly all texts they encounter. During the within pattern stage, students begin to decode and sort words more readily, and their sight word vocabulary grows quickly. The within word pattern stage acts as a bridge between the beginning stage when the students are struggling to learn how to read and write, and the intermediate stage when the students are able to read most texts they are encountered with. Within this developmental stage, students are quickly increasing their sight word and vocabulary and their ability to decode new words. Students in your within word pattern group should be studying the following patterns. We have short and long vowel patterns, other long vowel patterns, influence vowels, diphthongs, and other ambiguous vowels, complex consonant clusters, homophones, and homonyms. And we have our next slide. This is just an example of how the within word pattern kiddos spell, and they range between age 6 to 12, grades 1 through 4. Students within this stage also use but confuse different rules while spelling as shown in the chart. Students in this stage explore pattern layer of English spelling. They must not only isolate the phonemes to determine the sounds they need to represent, but must also choose a form a variety of patterns that represent the same phoneme, which actually involves the silent letters.
Okay, so fluency, it's the ability to read a text accurately, quickly, and with expression. Reading fluency is important because it provides a bridge between word recognition and comprehension. And students learn a lot of sight words during this phase, and it increases the sight word knowledge, and decoding rate leads to an improved fluency in expression while they're reading. And these readers in this stage typically stop finger pointing and read more in phrases, and they often read around 100 words per minute.
All right, so the reading activities, they are read alouds that help develop skills of context to learn word patterns and their definitions. So such as chapter books, picture books, poems, informational books, guided silent reading. And then the writing activities, we can use daily writing, conferencing with the public, create a word study notebook with following activities. And then the notes on word study lessons would be vocabulary words from learning, homophones and homograph, words with sentences and pictures illustrating the differences, journals, writing sorts, drawing, and labeling words. And then this is an example that we have that you can always use in your classroom. The students will use this worksheet activity to have a better understanding of sight words using fluency at the same time. So this worksheet, pretty much you could use, it says the sight word fluency will be the word blue. So in the sentences, it says the hat is blue, the ball is blue, the car is blue, and you will color the sight word. So on this worksheet, the sight word is blue. So the student will go and highlight the word blue, and also they'll look into the words that they could find. And of course, they have to look for the word that says blue as well. And then it says spin and write. So pretty much it will be a very good example for the kids to know what's going on and have a better understanding of fluency.
All right, and so then its relation to the synchrony of literacy. The students in the within words pattern usually fall within the transitional stage of literacy development. They move from the full alphabetic phase to the consolidated alphabetic phase, where instead of single syllabus words, they're moving on to 2 or 3 syllabus words. And they also begin reading silently and more fluently. The writing becomes more fluent, and their ideas are able to become more focused since they're not having to just start and stop with their writing. And vocabulary learning is also key, and mostly you want to focus on the meaning because kids are learning 10 to 15 new words per week. And that's our within words and fluency.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.